engineer there, but yeah, say obey me by Capital injury situation it say.
It was the injury from the channel. So now this year me here treatment and me recover kakra. So me back
Supporters also some feel under your leadership. Are they going to see another maybe a league trophy because now the league is open?
Points yes, and we feel very good. We feel good, you bet to me. You bet to me league, because I think that we played almost. Let me say, I don't me disrespect the other clubs, but I think most of the difficult games has been played already. So we only have to be focused, concentrated. But if we do that, I know that bet to me. I winning even the games now can in and bet me winning there. So the league need yeah we can.
One thing I have problem any supporters was the stadium. Now the NCC has started a campaign to pull supporters out member stadium. What will be what to be as a captain? And then I can't chair the NCC leadership.
Yeah, well, as a club itself, supporters play bigger role. So when like this issue came up, me myself as a player I was not happy, I was worried. So I do my best. I do call those I could call. I do share stuff on my handles to also help the supporters to come, because without the supporters as a folk, there is no as a folk. Okay, we have our big men, designers. They are doing so well. We appreciate everything, but with the supporters, as a folk won't be there. Though the club as a folk is there, but for them to see the as a folk they all know way back, like having the days of Dombo Taste and Amakwame Kus, is the supporters. Even they travel to away games as well, but now we are not seeing that. So we are happy with what we saw at BBN. It's a sign which we believe things are going well too. So we believe say it will continue. Our fans know with almost so we are pleading say our game against BBN, sending NCC for now start our NCC chairman here. I'm so happy and yes, we are supported from behind. So near officer Obiatia now, so Obia can be and there. And I play BIB or field so pay whatever the management, the board members, Obian fan to is about us of folk and individual person. So we are pleading say they should come in their numbers to make us of folk great again. All right.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Mazababa has an hour. I guess Ghana Premier League. I don't know. Utimikaze. Ubeshego no one share. The last time he was I Queen no answer. I don't know what is that.
The Meka won't say me so dia nipa dia me no obia timi ho, and sometimes too I have the belief, and with effort and sana obetimi anya belief, you understand. I know what I do before every match and training, rest, good, I eat well. Me who say that during the week my body near free and I can tell you say this match I can give a go.
You play the Ghana Premier League. Awako Obibeka said this year, are we going to see Maxwell Bekwe next season in the Ghana Premier League? And I said, 2 points.
Well, plans there honestly be pray wo and I me now me mind back. I think say what I have to do in the league, my year be ankasa. But if God willing, she am buyer, then I continue. I begin a new season here. But say bibi ba na the miniature.
Now say there was a fly out, 2 points, and they Miami home. Coach Amansa, my best Sancho has it. Because some bizarre, what buffet, and now say, dinner and go through, mommy exclusive, the entire war Ghana.
Well, honestly, trials na me koye. It looked like almost a done deal contract, but it was due to one or two things in Tina met me about my back. But in no time, I may return.
Yeah.
Like I said, in no time, I may return.
They'll call you back.
In no time, I may return. Like I said earlier on, she answer and bar. You understand?
And the Matthias said, Dino is still pending. BBL TMC. Obesan, I'll go back. What a league in the car? Olympics extra go. Your former club. Then I'll catch you.
Well, so say me time no. I devoted my time. I sacrificed myself a lot for the club because in the past no. Because in my time no, what I did wasn't what they did. So me the lessons me ade free in the past. Say I do me so no the I have to give it to the club, of which I did. It takes a lot of sacrifice to maintain or original league anymore. It takes a lot of sacrifice. Players no they are making me catch up money say they should keep focusing because it's easy. Even to score a goal no easy. It's not something yetimi who be more easy, but it takes some time, effort be and sana omunya sa results. And when I was there, they always see my effort at training before training starting, main training starting. They always see my effort alone on the pitch, trying to finish the ball. Until they do that, it can happen. Boom. Now I'm working as a team. Nobody must share matches on several occasions. Me sometimes I could read a game say I should be me Danny a midfielder stroke attacker. You understand? You can testify in my games. Me a top player, but me read the game now. Me midfield no is not push now. I have to add up to them and push more, and so I give more passes. You understand? So I think last season Puansan and League Nibebewi, I was one of the top assists in my league, my club. Yes, and I was the top scorer too in my club. Until you could see Juma me here, but it's all about devotion. Catch on say obey my team no now it should have effect on you. Sure.
Now that I want has a front point for she as a still now when you want to say Obesan in the momo. And there's no truth in it.
Yeah, with House of Folk, honestly, see House and Kotokonu, it looks like everyone's dream to play one day, as far as our country is concerned. But like I said earlier on, my boy, 7 to 8 seasons is enough for me. And what I should give, I think I've done it with Olympics. You understand? It's a chance, not a chance become clear, say I can join them. I'm okay, you understand? But for now, dear, like I'm saying, I have to look elsewhere because one way or the other, I'm also growing. I'll have family, so I need to push myself up.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Oh, yeah.